What is up, everybody? It's Jamie. Welcome back to the channel. Quick and informative video today. So for those of you that don't know, I'm a huge fan of the Apple AirPods Pro. I haven't purchased the second generation yet. I still have my initial ones that I purchased when they first came out. I don't know how many years ago that was. Now, even though I do love the AirPods Pro, they do have some problems. Almost like a staticky noise was occurring on one of the AirPods, and it would kind of go in and out, and then it would get worse and worse and worse. It went from like a staticky noise to almost like a blown kind of car speaker. Continually get worse, and then it would degrade to the point in which you couldn't really use them. It was just annoying. Couldn't really use it at all. I remember I called Apple support about it. They didn't really know what I was talking about at the time. It could have just been the individual I was speaking to, but at that juncture, I then went and I had to buy another pair. So then fast forward to maybe, I don't know, 6 months later or so, and that pair started doing the exact same thing. And so at that time, I was like, there has to be something going on here. I looked everywhere, I couldn't find anything. I went to the Apple store, I created an appointment, and apparently there was an issue with some of the earlier built models. And when you go to the Apple store, they do a few checks to make sure there's any water damage or anything like that, and then they just replaced them. I had, like, the initial pair I had, like I said, was from when they first came out, so they were a couple years old. And they're out of warranty and everything like that, and they just replaced them because apparently there was a known issue on AirPods Pro that were built before a certain time period, and once they determine that and they determine that it is another issue, they then just go ahead and replace them. So if you are experiencing this issue or you have experienced this issue, take your AirPods, go to an Apple store, schedule an appointment. Most likely they're going to replace them for you for free. That was just a quick and easy video. I hope that you found it helpful. People in my last time I did a video like this, my other AirPod video, they yelled at me for talking too much. That's kind of how YouTube works, people. So thank you very much for watching. I will catch you on the next video.